How to use beauty filter in Picsart. Here's how to enhance your selfies using Picsart built-in beauty filters. Upload your photo and go to the Filters tab on the left panel. Search or scroll through to find Beautify or Beauty Filters. Click a filter to preview it. Most smooth skin, adjust tones, and brighten features. You can also tweak each filter's strength using the slider. When you're happy with the look, hit apply to finalize the changes. Do you prefer natural edits or a full filter look? Let's chat about it in the comments below. You can layer beauty filters with other retouching tools for a personalized result. And that's how you can use beauty filter in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.